Ever pondered the question, what is the universe really made of? It's a question that has intrigued humans for centuries, sparking curiosity and driving scientific exploration. In the next 7.5 minutes, we'll delve into the fundamental nature of the universe, the underlying principles and properties that govern the behavior and structure of everything we know. Imagine the universe as a giant Lego set. The smallest pieces, the ones that make up everything else, are subatomic particles. These include quarks, leptins, and bosons. They're the building blocks of matter, the tiniest units that cannot be broken down further. If the universe were a game, these particles would be the players. Now, every game has rules, and in the universe, these rules are the fundamental forces. They dictate how these subatomic particles interact with each other. The 4 fundamental forces are the strong nuclear force, the weak nuclear force, electromagnetism, and gravity. These forces are like the rulebook, guiding the particles in their interactions and behaviors. But how do we understand the large-scale structure of the universe? Enter General Relativity, a theory developed by none other than Albert Einstein. It describes how matter and energy affect the curvature of space-time, painting a picture of the universe that's more like a fabric than an empty space. We've talked about the players and the rules, but what about the game itself? Quantum mechanics is a branch of physics that describes the behavior of these subatomic particles on the atomic and subatomic level. It's like the game's strategy guide, detailing the nature of light and matter and the interactions between subatomic particles. But what about the mysterious, the unknown? Dark matter and dark energy are like the ghosts in our cosmic machine. They're forms of matter and energy that make up the majority of the universe. Yet they're invisible to us because they don't interact with light. They're the wild cards, the elements we're still trying to understand. And then there's the Big Bang Theory, the current explanation for the origin of the universe. It's the backstory, the origin story of our game. According to this theory, the universe began as a singularity and expanded rapidly, leading to the formation of matter and energy. So, there we have it. The universe is a complex game, made up of subatomic particles interacting through fundamental forces, all within a framework shaped by general relativity. The strategies and behaviors are outlined by quantum mechanics, with the wildcards being dark matter and dark energy. And the game's origin, that's the Big Bang Theory. It's a lot to wrap your head around, but hopefully this has given you a glimpse into the fundamental nature of the universe, a giant cosmic game that we're all a part of. Understanding the universe might seem like a daunting task, but remember, every game can be understood, one rule at a time.